Hello guys, today we are going to be playing a video. We are going to be playing Subway Surfer. As you can see, it's night, so I got my face cam and I put my thing up because I know that my things be going up and it's really supposed to be turned sideways, but that's how it keeps on doing the thing. I have to hold my phone for it to do that. So I choose a game where I could do it. So I choose Subway Surf. And I'm not keeping on this cam, so good luck with that. So let's get in the video. Or should I say Subway Surf? Aw man, I died on the first try. First time's a charm, right? I mean, second time's a charm, right? At least I'm farther than I went before. Go F. So let's grab it. F stands for Frank. 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 You know what I'm saying? Frank. Frank. It's too glitchy for me. Frick. Frank Ross. Oh, I found the A. It ain't no fame and no game. You know it ain't no pain and no fame. I ain't trading and that's right. It ain't mine. Defense the it's the naughty. Since I'm so freaking sleepy. But I'm doing this for y'all, so I have to. If I want to keep my career up, I may be a kid, but this is what I do. I like uploading shows, and I like Gravy Catman. And if you like Gravy Catman, subscribe to my channel. I just wish I could be like them. But I can't. You can't be everybody you want. You can't be yourself. That's the only person you should be. Is that you, Olivia? I just saw my cousin just peeking at me, so that's what I did. And I got hit by a train. Ooh, this is my lucky day. Yeah. Down, cross. Up, right. Down, 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 down. Oh, I'm dead. Oh, that's 5,000 coins. That's a lot of coins. That is a lot of money. So let's watch the video. I'm on another run to the victory. And if you watch KDM, because he does a lot of Subway Surf. And I wish I can get up to him, but I can't. It's impossible. So no, nothing's impossible. Just go for it. Just go for it. Just go for it. Like, even try to lift up a weight. Just go for it. 100-ton weight. Just go for it. If you believe, just go pick up 100-ton weight. You go pick it up if you believe. If you believe. By the way, that's sarcasm. If you believe. If I was sick on video, I'd just be coughing non-stop. Anybody got a piece of tissue? Anybody can get some soup? I can't do this today. Sorry. I got a cold, so I can't do this. But I gotta do it. As I said, I don't gotta do it all the time. I'm just doing it so I can get something going. If y'all know what I mean. If y'all got something going, y'all got something going. And did you know that you make money from YouTube? I know that. I guess you didn't. Because you're watching mine. How you think I make money? How you think I got this phone? How you think I got a YouTube channel? I got another YouTube channel. And I use it to get this. It doesn't mean anything. Right. Is it me you're looking for? Can you feel me? 'Cause is it me you're looking for? I was quiet for a second, wasn't I? I thought I could juke the game and give me some money, but I can't. They're too smart. I'm not subscribing to nobody. You better get yourself here, because I'm going to subscribe for 100,000. I got one. I got a career by dying. I got a career by killing myself every day. I got a career by getting a temper tantrum. Where am I? On here. No, I do not want to get the result. Where am I supposed to be? On the silver? Right? I'm almost on silver. Yep, I'm always on silver. Always on silver. Oh my god. Oh my god. Gotta be a lot of people. I gotta be a lot of people. A lot of people. I will be a whole ton of people. Then I'm just gonna be a whole ton of people. That's all I gotta say. The only reason I'm being quiet because I think I'm gonna lose if I talk. Well, he went higher. He went so high. I don't know if that's he or she, but I'm just gonna call it he because I'm he. Let's just say that you're smarter and you got a bigger education, right? Because quality is always awesome. And if you know what I was talking about, you do have a better education. Psych. You maybe not, you maybe do. Oh my god. I didn't mean it. Watch this ad, but I'm watching it, so I'm watching it. You know what that means? I watched it. It made a king. That's what it made. Emerge into your homes. This may be the longest video I've done yet. I mean, this is pretty long. I mean, I played this longer than I played this. Oh my god. No, I want this. No, I don't want this. I don't want it. I don't want it. Come on, man, I just don't want it. Give me something that I want. Come on, man, I don't want this stupid you thing if I could beat you down in the moon and crap. Yes, finally. I unlocked it. And on that note, I will end off this video because it's been too long. Peace.